Hey, what's up guys? So I have a Glock 17 right here. No magazine. Fully unloaded. Okay. So today I have a holster for it. And it's gunflower.net. See right there's a gunflower. You can change the clips on it so it can fit whichever belt you have or however you want to carry it. Okay, so inside you have this version for the belt, for your technical belt. One like this. Open these, locks in. Okay, and you have this style right here. You loosen the screw if you want to put it the way you want to put it. And the really cool thing about it is you have a release right here. You have to press this in order to get the pistol out. Okay, so put it in. You can see no matter what I do, it does not come out. I will have to press. We'll have to press it and then it comes out. I'll put it in, it locks, press it, then it comes out. It's the only way you're gonna get it out. So love how it looks. So I'm gonna put it on my pants so you can see how it looks and how easy it is to take it out. Remember, put it and it slides right out. Put it in again, slides right out. Otherwise you cannot get it out. So let me get it attached to my pants. And okay, so I got it on. See it right there. Doesn't cover so much. You can see that it bulked out a little bit. So if you can carry like this, it'll be perfectly fine. Okay, so you can see they try to take it out, and then you're gonna be able to. Gotta press, and it comes out. Again, put it in, press, comes out. The only way. Press, comes out. Press, comes out. Locks right in. Press, comes out. Awesome. You can see that I press right here. Perfect.